Today is 25th of March of 2026 and today we took a loss was minus 60 cents. So at least was very little, but the mistake today and what I learned from the trade that I made today was to always wait for our strategy to present itself fully because I will always wait for a liquidity sweep that happened. I always wait for the confirmation that the trend is going to change. I always today also that happened. But the third step that also is very important is to wait for a continuation confluence. So for any continuation confluence to get filled to then continue the trend. So it didn't it didn't get filled any equilibrium, any fair value gaps. So I just entered on the trade just based on those two steps, and that is irrational, isn't logical at all, and that was the mistake today because my emotions like were I was having the fear of missing out on money today, that money that I could make today because the market was just ripping through so for the downside. So I entered on a trade without any continuation confluence, but then the market started to go higher, so I closed the trade and then it go lower. So if I kept the trade, I would have made $3 maybe today, $2, $3 because I didn't risk too much. So it was a lot of mistakes. And but yeah, like we keep improving every day. That is completely normal. And at least I risk very little because at least I had the awareness that the trade wasn't good today. So at least I risk very little. So at least I'm proud of that. But But when I look back, like 2 months or 3 months ago, I would get very mad when I lost trades. I would get very mad when I lose a trade. I would be very regretful. It would ruin my day. Like it would ruin my mood for today. Like I would be just miserable throughout the day if I lost, or even if I just missed an entry. I would be very regretful, and I have improved in that regard a lot, like massively in the past months. Also, yeah, when the majority of the best, like when the best traders say that controlling your emotions is the most important thing ever, I finally realized that because you can have the best strategy ever, but if you can't stick to that strategy with discipline, and with being patient, it doesn't mean anything. You can have the best strategy, but if you don't wait, if you don't just control your emotions, if you can't control that, uh, you just can't be profitable. You just can't. So controlling your emotions is a huge part of becoming a profitable trader. Of course, you need to have market experience. You need to know and understand how the market moves and know the right confluences to enter. Of course, you need that, but if you keep learning, if you keep improving your discipline, if you keep improving your capability to control your emotions every day, that it's going to happen, eventually you'll become profitable. Eventually you'll become good at trader. You'll become good. It's like any other skill. So yeah, but yeah, that was the video, was just to document what happened today, why I took the loss today, what I learned for today, and just having this awareness every day. I think it's going to help me improve massively because if you have awareness, you're going to improve faster. So I'm excited for tomorrow price action. Maybe it's better because today was moving good, but it didn't give any possible entry to enter. Because without any continuation conflicts, without any fair value gaps or equilibriums, you just can't enter, or it's too risky. Of course, it can have some exceptions, but as a general rule, without that, it's too risky to enter. So that's about it. Like I said in the previous video, the first video, I started this channel and recording these videos because I want to document my full journey of becoming a profitable trader, and just look back and see how much I improved, and the times that I struggle, and if I can motivate people along the way, that's very good. So I think this um, just wins. It's just positive, because I always had the habit of making videos. So when I was doing my other businesses, I was making the videos, just saying how the business was going, what I was doing, and even trading. I have a lot of older videos that I'm explaining some stuff and what the struggles are. So I always had this habit. So why not post and just not create content? Why not post on here, on YouTube? So that was my thought, and basically it's that. So see you probably tomorrow on tomorrow price action, and bye.